Good morning, guys. Paul here at Paul Phillips Fix. I got a 2007 BMW K1200R Sport. I'm going to be putting on a, I hope I'm pronouncing this all right, Kaoko Throttle lock. I have a neck injury and my hand goes numb where it's actually a safety issue driving. So this throttle lock replaces the bar end weight here on the motorcycle. I do not have stock mirrors on my bike. I went to bar end mirrors. So I had to make a modification here. The bolt that came with the kit did not fit when I tried putting this on. So I got an M8 1.25 pitch by 70 millimeter long bolt. Hold on a second, let me get my parts out here. So what comes in the Kaoko kit is the bar end weight. You got a little set screw here which adjusts the drag, how much drag you want on there. Then it's got two washers and a bolt, but like I said, because of my bar end mirrors, the bolt was not long enough. We're going to see if this 70 millimeter bolt is too long. I'd rather have it too long than too short, because I can always cut it or grind it down and clean up the threads on a die grinder. I have a 5 mil Allen, removing the bolt that came with the mirrors. These bar end mirrors are great. I'll put the link for these in the video description. And it's that simple to remove the bar end weight. And take that off. See the difference in length on these bolts? Got a lot more meat on this one. Now these bolts are not like the stock bolt because they have this flat pan head like on it. Oh, these have got a bigger head on them. I hope it works. I might have to grind that down. Oh, no, I'm gonna have to grind that down. No, it might work. No, I think I'm going to have to grind that head down. I'm going to have to go downstairs. I'm going to get a caliper. I'm going to measure the head size of that bolt. Let me size up the thread anyway first. Did I get the wrong size bolt? Right size. They have a little friction plate that goes here between the throttle. They have a flat washer, then this friction plate that goes on there like that. Get my mirror. I'm just checking my bolt length. Then I have to resize that head, because it doesn't recess in that mirror, and that mirror will just flop around. I may have to shorten this up some, this bolt, but like I said, I'd rather have it too long than too short. I had a lot of thread in the bar, so this might work. Let's see. Just want to make sure I don't bottom out. I am bottoming out. All right, I have to measure that now. I'm going to take off about 10 millimeters on this bolt. I have to put everything away because I've had squirrels steal parts on me before, and I don't want that to happen again. So I have to put everything inside when I go do anything. Crazy, right? Squirrels stole a lug bolt on me. We'll be back. I'm gonna go grind that bolt down and resize the head. I'll bring you guys in the basement with me, I guess. Son of a bitch, I just installed this and I didn't have the camera recording. So what I did is I put a third washer in here as a spacer. Now my throttle is totally free. I put blue Loctite on there, and I adjusted this set screw for the drag on the throttle lock adjuster. I've got mine a little tight. I want it to stay where I leave it. So that's it. I'll let you guys know how this works out. I will do a review on this thing. In this video, in the description, I'm going to put a link for these bar end mirrors. I love them. So much better visibility. The stock mirrors, I could not see behind me at all. I'd have to lean, and visibility was shit. The bar end mirrors are great. Makes the bike 4 inches wider. I'm not lane splitting, so I don't care. And now I got a place to put my ram ball mounts for my GoPro and stuff. Can use one as a dash cam right up here. They are an M10 1.5 pitch ball. I will put a link in the description for these too. You can get these from something Kirk. The ram balls 1.5 pitch by 10 millimeter, and then these clamps are on Amazon, which are aluminum. They're well made and they're great for cameras, GPS, whatever. So okay guys, take care, stay safe out there, take good care of your bikes, they'll take care of you, and take good care of your families. We'll see you soon. Please give a like and subscribe. It shows YouTube somebody's watching. Bye bye. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, start recording.